let's unbox my H&M order. You could wear this to work for sure. Whew. I'm that person that leaves their toe polish on for a really long time, and I feel like now I'm styling an outfit. I think like this little bit here is like particularly unflattering. It's, oh maybe, but probably not. I don't think that is terrible. Like, oh, I wish these were long. I think I really like this actually. I've really been trying to reduce the amount I buy over the last couple of years, which has meant in turn that I really just have nothing to wear. So I really needed to buy some staples that hopefully fit and that I love. So I've placed a big H&M order and I thought we could unbox it together. I am planning a big charity shop trawl to build up my wardrobe using secondhand pieces. So do let me know if that's something you'd like to see, as I can definitely film that. But let's get started with my haul. I bought quite a lot of things. I was quite mindful that it would have to like work with my wardrobe and that I'd love it. Also for reference, I think it's quite important, I am a size 12 to 14. It really depends on what the item of clothing is. Trousers, a 14. Tops, if they're like quite high neck, then I'm probably a 14 as well, just because I have a bigger bust. Otherwise, maybe a 12. I am 5'7", my legs are slightly longer than my torso, and I'm pear-shaped, if you will. But hopefully that is helpful. Ooh. Maybe we'll unbox everything and then try everything on. This is a burgundy skirt. I tried to picture like outfits as I was buying them, just so I kind of have an idea as to what I would wear this with. And honestly, this one I'm a tiny bit unsure about. I find slip skirts can be quite difficult on my shape. I got this in a medium, which may or may not fit. It does seem quite nice and long. My only thing is that I am planning to wear this with a brown jumper. So whether this looks nice with a brown jumper or not, we'll see. It needs a steam, but other than that, I will try that on. Trousers. I really need trousers. Actually, if I show you ones I've got on, I'll try and link these. I'm not 100% sure that these are the exact ones that are on the H&M website, but I found a pair that I think are the same. But these are H&M. I've had these honestly 5 years easily, maybe more. I love these. They're made of a synthetic material. I think they're polyester, which controversially I don't always hate. Yes, I probably do prefer wearing cotton a little bit. I find that sometimes cheaper fabrics last a little bit longer, and that's important too. But I bought these in the hope that they are very similar to the ones that I've got on. I got these in a 14. I'm also hoping that they'll be the correct length, but I'll tell you now that I'm dubious because I've just put them up against my legs. And then a pair of jeans. I again really need new jeans. I feel like actually I did get a pair that I wear a lot, again from H&M. I'll link those down below as well actually if you're interested. I think I got them last month actually, and I've basically worn nothing else since getting them. Got these are a high waist wide pair. Again, I got them in a 14. I'm not going to comment too much on the sizing because once I try them on, I guess I'll be able to tell. I haven't really had a pair of black jeans that I love for a really long time, so I'm very much looking forward to this. I also like that it's not like a solid black. I find a solid black pair of jeans quite hard to style because I think they look, I don't know, I think that this sort of black, which is like a slight wash black, not very, I think just looks a bit cooler, and I just prefer that basically. I'll tell you now before we go any further that I really regret not getting the jacket to match these trousers. And who knows, maybe I'll still order it. Despite what this haul might look like, I really want to start adding slightly more fun pieces to my wardrobe. And so I picked up these jeans in the hope that they'd be a fun pair of jeans. Again, no idea if the length will be good, no idea if they'll fit me. Again, got them in a 14. They are kind of a weird material. They do seem, I guess they're a pair of jeans, but they seem very woven. But jeans are woven, I guess, we just don't really look at them that closely. I've seen little people on Instagram after I ordered them, because this order did take a little bit long to arrive. I ordered these a week ago today, and they arrived like yesterday, which I know isn't crazy, but it's a tiny bit long. I have seen loads of people wearing these on Instagram with the matching jacket. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like on the H&M website, and it does look very good. I'm just not sure if I need that jacket, although it would make a great like full cord ensemble. I'm just not sure, so we'll see. I'll try these on and then I guess I'll reconsider then. I think this is another skirt. I feel like maybe I should have ordered 2 satin skirts, but I did. This is a blue satin skirt. Again, same size. I think exactly the same skirt. This one is actually a little bit less creased. I am really enjoying pale blue. I think I said this in the past, but I feel like I forgot about it. I'd really like to wear lots of blues and lots of reds than just neutrals. I don't know, that very much hasn't come into fruition, and I had this idea in July, so we'll see if I kind of, I guess it's because I don't buy that much, but we'll see if I kind of build on that idea. I bought this brown top. We'll see how it works. because I have a little like off the shoulder one, which I really love, but it's just not that comfortable if you are bigger busted like I am, because I still need to wear a bra, and then it's just like a faff when I have to faff about with the straps. So I got this. It has both sides of the top, but this part does kind of come quite far out, so I wonder if I'm going to be able to like still like squeeze in a little strap next to it. But again, we'll try it on, we'll see. This material is very similar to the other one that I have. It's not the best material, a little bit clingy, but again, these sort of materials do, in my experience, last quite well, so we'll try that on. I really think I'm in desperate need of a grey pair of trousers and also a brown, so I also ordered these in a brown. I think they're the same, or actually, I'm not sure. We'll try them on and then we'll see if they're the same or not. These might be the same as the ones that I'm wearing. These seem very similar, except I don't know if the ones I'm wearing have a pocket on the back. They don't. We'll try these on, fingers crossed. I'm feeling hopeful. I will like those. A jacket. Just wanted something, again, a little bit more fun. That's nice and warm. This wasn't too expensive. And, oh gosh, I think I really like this actually. I was kind of like, oh, let's order it and then we'll see if it's good or not good. But I think this might be good. It's absolutely not going to go with this top. Just seems so cozy. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'll try it on again in a minute. I'm going to try everything on. I'm not going to really style it, I don't think, because I'm going to do a styling reel over on my Instagram with anything that does fit. So I will link that down below, but I'm going to get changed and I will be back in a second. I think, let's start with trousers. So these are the first pair of trousers I'm trying on. These are the brown ones. Guys, I really like these. I think they're good, but I think they're short for me. I don't think I've even got like enough of a allowance to get these tailored and bring them down a little bit. I think if you are a little bit shorter than me, or the same height as me but slightly shorter legs than me, then I actually think these are excellent. These are near enough the same as the ones that I have. You have two pleats down the side, which I think isn't always that flattering, but I don't think this is too unflattering. If we turn around, but I think these are good, you know. I'm very tempted to keep them, even if they're not quite the right length for me. I think I have to try them on with a pair of shoes and kind of decide then. But if I come in close, these have a zip, a button here. It's a tiny bit fiddly. These are the same as my trousers, and then they have this sort of bit. So my trousers also have these. And I think that kind of keeps this section looking quite nice and neat and like not too pulled, which I really like. They're comfy. These are on my waist, they're a tiny bit big for me, but again, because of my shape rather than anything else, I think if you're a little bit different shape to me, these are good. I like these. I don't think I would size up or down in them, but maybe I would get them taken in a tiny bit if I were to keep them just at the waist, like nowhere else. But these, they're swinging around my ankles a little bit more than I'd like. On to the other pair of trousers, which aren't the same as the last ones. They are similar, but they're not the same. And the other shape I just think is much nicer. I will link those, and I believe the last pair also come in grey. I obviously have a belly like most of us do, and I think it's not something that really bothers me too much. I think like this little bit here is like particularly unflattering. It's kind of like it's framed, and I think these are even slightly shorter than the other ones. I do think along the top these are nicer. I don't have anywhere near as much space in these as I did in the other ones, but I don't like them quite as much. But do let me know what you think. Again, they're too short, and like as soon as I tried the brown ones on, I was like, oh, I wish these were long. Whereas these I was kind of like, nah, I'm not wild about these. So these I think probably will be returned, and the brown ones probably will because I have no other choice, but I would love to keep the brown ones. I'm gonna look into sizing. These trousers, striped, I like them. I would say these are a mid-rise. What do they call them? They call them a regular waist, so I would say that's a mid-rise. I'm actually gonna have this mirror because I've got a mirror just over there. I don't think they're unflattering, to be completely honest, and I think I'm gonna keep them because I think they're quite fun. I definitely couldn't go any smaller with these. I think I like them lengthwise. They are like just about acceptable, I would say. So really leaning towards keeping these. I just need something that's a bit more fun than like a blue or black jean. Like a blue and a black jean serves a purpose, but I just want like, I just want to be able to wear this with like a red jumper. Maybe I could, let me show you that. This isn't really a special outfit or anything like that, but that just looks a little bit more fun than if I were wearing black or blue jeans. Okay, they are kind of blue, but they're striped. I don't know. I just much prefer that. And I think these are a definite keep. But let me know your thoughts, because I'm filming this to upload today, so I'll still have these pieces, so let me know. And also, do I get the little jacket thing? Our fur is called Black Jeans Boring. Let's try these on, but they're still essential, I think. Oh, I don't know if I can get into these. Maybe I can. I just about can get into these. Whew. Like, can you see that outfit is just so much more boring than the last outfit. Oh, I really wanted to love these jeans and I think they're a no. Let me take off my jumper. They are a high waist, they don't look too bad on my butt, I would say. The last jeans had button fly. I love a button fly. I don't know why, I find it way more flattering. So obviously these are too tight. I am not keeping them. I'm not tempted to get a size up. They say they're high-waisted, but I would say they're about the same as the last pair that I tried. My belly button is pretty much at the button. They're like really nothing special, and I feel like I am looking for a pair of black jeans that I like, but these just are not it. Partly because they're tight. These are probably like my first definite return. But whilst we're here, let's throw this little cardigan on. I felt like I added this in kind of for like a, oh maybe, but probably not. And now I'm like, oh, I love it. I really think that's cute. I dropped my camera a little bit earlier, and I feel like maybe the focus didn't like that. Naturally, who likes being dropped? Maybe this is a large, which I think is like the right size. Like, it's oversized. A medium would definitely fit me, but whether it's like the right fit, I'm not sure. This was under £30, and I just think it's really lovely and cozy. I feel like I wasn't really planning to keep it, but I might have to. I would always wear Spanx when I wear a satin skirt. I'm not gonna put Spanx on now. I don't think it's that big of a deal, to be completely honest. This is a size medium. This fits me well, I would say, and I like it. I really do. Kind of to decide whether it works in my wardrobe and whether I need it. I do like it. My vision, I don't think it will work though. My vision was a full blue outfit. However, I'm not sure this blue will work with the skirt. Well, maybe that's not too bad. Maybe we need a t-shirt as well. I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea because it's not flattering, but I do think it's quite cool. Also, I've got socks on because I'm that person that leaves their toe polish on for a really long time, and so my toe polish, not the vibe. But I did fake tan the bottom half of my legs yesterday, which is a rarity. Maybe I should take these off. No one look closely at my toes, and please ignore, now I have sock marks. Yeah, so let me know, like, what do you think of this as an outfit, and what do you think of this skirt as an individual piece for my wardrobe? Again, I will wear Spanx under this. Okay, so now we've got the burgundy one. Let me take off this blue jumper. I really wanted this to be more brown, but it was sold as burgundy. It's just that you can't always tell colour online, so I was kind of hoping it'd be a bit more brown than it was suggested online. Typically I wear my satin skirts here, which is my waist, which makes this a little bit short, I think, but I could easily kind of come down depending on what I was wearing over it. I think the blue one is a bit nicer. I'm not sure why. I think it's a bit longer. Maybe I could compare them actually. I think the blue one is a bit nicer, but I do think I bought them like together. Yeah, the blue one's a bit longer. Can you see? It just feels like a little bit thicker as well, so I think it's just a little bit nicer. I'm not convinced that they were under the same products, just different colours. Anyway, my vision for this skirt was again to wear it with as a tonal outfit, but I think this brown again isn't going to work because I was hoping that the skirt would be more brown, which it's not. But this kind of cool toned brown suits me a little bit more. Do I think that's awful? I think maybe the shape of this jumper doesn't work as well, and I think maybe the colour also. I don't think that is terrible. Probably returning a skirt, I think. Well, yeah, I think I'm leaning more towards the blue one. Also, like, we're going into spring and summer. Okay, it's still very much winter, but I think maybe I'd get a bit more wear out of the blue one. I don't know. So I am back in the trousers that I started off this video with, and as you can see, these just touch the floor a bit more. So once my shoes are on, these are like a really good length on me. I really think that the ones I bought today are just a little bit short. It's a shame though, because I love these, and these are H&M, and like I said, they're very, very similar shape-wise. But like I said, I've had them for a really, really long time. But let's try on the other top. I'm not sure these trousers are the best for it. Maybe I'll get a pair of jeans. So you know how I said I'm not styling outfits? I feel like now I'm styling an outfit because I do really like this as an outfit. Again, these trousers are a bit, these trousers are a bit short for me. This top, I think maybe I need it in a large. I'm not sure because it's definitely tight, but it's that material that is designed to be tight. So I'm wondering if like the size up would look a bit weird. Again, this is also the sort of material that if you are very conscious about rolls and you have them, not for you, because especially around the back you can definitely see my back rolls. But again, you could probably wear Spanx if you really wanted to. My Spanx come up quite high. If you like have a small bust, you could just not wear a bra. I don't have that option. Or you could just not care, and honestly I don't really care that much. I do think that this top rises up, again probably because of my bust, so I'm just gonna pull that down a little bit. But I think I really like this top. It was like under £20 I think, or at least not very expensive, and I just think it looks very chic. I love it with the brown trousers. I've got a black belt and black shoes, and I think that is lovely. You could wear this to work for sure, but equally I think you could wear this out for drinks as well. Maybe loafers during the day and like a smaller pair of earrings, but then for dinner or like drinks, this is definitely an outfit I really like. For the sake of it, I'm going to try on the jacket that I tried on earlier, just so you can kind of see it with other stuff. Kind of a different vibe, but honestly it doesn't not work. I'm not saying it's definitely what I would team it with, but it doesn't not work. I think this has been like my standout product. I really enjoyed filming that, even though like there wasn't really anything that was like a runaway success. I guess apart from this, maybe this top, I'm not sure, but there was like so many things that were like almost right, and I might just go in and get a different size or see if they have a long version. I really hope that there's something that you like in here as well, because I feel like the whole point of filming a haul is so that you kind of catch your imagination and hopefully see something that you like. I am going to film on Instagram how I would style each piece. I feel like you got a glimpse for some of the items, and it might be a very similar outfit over there. But if you are interested in my Instagram, it's linked down below, as is my TikTok, and I will link every individual piece and maybe even like some similar items I think they might be a little bit better, or pieces that I have mentioned as well. But thank you for watching, and let me know what you'd like to see next, whether it be fashion, beauty. But thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.